6 basic in Google Sheet. 1. Alt+Enter. 2. Wrap text. 3. Format. 4. Merge cell. 5. Align. 6. Add comment. Step 1. I write the text here in cell. And you will meet the sum of the problem like this. After I write the text, I need to enter to get a new line. Okay, this is the result. How can I press the key? In cell, if you want to enter a new line, you need to press Alt+Enter. Okay, with the step 1 finished, you can test in the Google Sheet to enter a new line with Alt+Enter. Step 2. I'm gonna show you how to use wrap text. We use the wrap text because we want to display the cell content on multiple lines rather than one long line. And if you want to adjust, you select the cell and click on this button and choose the center wrap text. Okay, the outcome of the preset, the text only one cell. Step 3. When we use the format tool in Google Sheet. Okay, this is the example. I will show you. I will format the style here onto column E. First, I select the cell that I want to format. Next, click on this button and select to format column E. And the result we see that the format on the cell is complete. Step 4. I want to show you how to merge cell. In the example, I have 5 students. I want to add group A and group B. The 3 students here, I add group A, and the 2 more, I add group B. Okay, practice it together here. So this is the example. First, you need to select cell. And after, clear these buttons to merge cell. Okay, the result we see that 3 columns merged and get only 1 cell. And one more practice, you can do the same. Select the cell that you want to merge and click on this button. Okay, the result already merged. Rather than, if you want to remove after you merge, you can select the cell and click on this button and choose unmerge. Okay, with this step 4 finished. Step 5. I will show you how to make a line in the Google Sheet. Align means that you want to make the text left, right, or center in the cell. In the example here, the title of, I want to adjust the title, the center of cell. First, I select the cell here, choose the line button and choose center. Then I will show you, if you want to adjust a line once time. First, select the cell and press hold the key control and select another cell and click the Align button, choose the center. And one more, I want to set this text from bottom to the center. I just select the cell and click on this button and choose center. Okay, the result, the text will change from bottom to center. Okay, with step 5 finished. Step 6. I will show you about how to add comment. So this is the example. I will set this. In this list has one student that's dropped out. I want to comment to another teachers know that. Okay, you want to adjust this example. Select the cell, right click and click on comments button. And then you can comment on this box or add the email address of someone that you want alerts to them know that. You just display the add key and enter someone's email. And the results mean that after you send this email, this message will show to them likes and notification. And after, check inbox and scroll down and click assign. And next, check the result together. If you want to show the comment, you just put my on cell and after the comment will show the dialog box. And next, I'm gonna show you how to edit the comment after you set. First, put my on the cell, right click and choose this button. It will show drop down, click on edit for correct inbox or click on this delete to delete the comment from the cell. Okay, with the step 6 comment in the cell, I finish. Okay, thank you for your love sharing. See you in the next video.